Wait, hold on, hold on.
Wait. Revolution. Thank you.
Sorry.
Mr. President.
Good.
Action. This one is strong. We don't go.
Of course.
Leader.
I don't see your thing.
You know, said I sent you. I sent out to you.
Sit down here now. Sorry, out.
Yeah, that's it.
Hello? Guys, move.
You know, said I sent Media house, got his meeting. Got his meeting, please.
Out now, guys.
Look at these people.
Yeah, let's have you. Let him find a seat.
Come on.
So, please tell what's going on, sir.
We are going. Let's go.
We're in court, of course, to attend to the ridiculous charge. That is the court now, please. And we're ready.
Please.
Media house, got his
Look at these people.